got him!
Oh my god, dude, I just started that video just in time when we were both getting shot up. Alright guys, and we're back at the video.
Dude, we gotta move. They know we're here.
TP.
Oh shit! Got him. Dude, we gotta go. Zach.
To the science lab.
Just in case. Run. Dude, don't they have a sound in their shit? I don't even know anymore.
I don't know, but it doesn't matter. We're still running. How much you want to bet?
Oh my fucking god. This is what gets this game.
We ain't got no gas.
Oh my god. This is what fucks this.
Oh, dude, I found an M240 ammo. Oh, by the way, here, take this. Take this. Whatever ammo.
Oh, here. Got a spare clip for you.
Ooh.
Another Mossberg. Do you want to try?
No. Tell him why not. Well, look what he said in chat. Alright, dude, watch the entrance. I gotta watch the entrance.
Say why not soon?
Yeah, just say why not. We always kill each other. It's for fun. He left.
Turn the lights off or what?
Ooh, you want it dark in here? Is that what I'm hearing?
I mean, I kind of got the dark clothing. Too. Head.
I got dark clothing too. Heck yeah. Dude, we're invisible.
Lemon head. Except for your
Clan, message, huggle. Message, huggle. Why? What is his name? Message here. My clan's been alive for like 3 weeks. Fuck up. Thank you.
just a fucking game. Plus, the adrenaline rush is fun. It's nice.
Oh, they logged off.
Aww.
I think we killed him too many times.
Hey Zach, you want an MRE? Should I eat it?
You eat it. We need one. Someone's just eating out here. That zombie just gave me RBI. Are you kidding me?
What, you don't like Aid?
No.
It's nice and quiet though. I don't remember everything.
Oh, Cage is back online. Oh crap! Oh my god, dude! TPR me.
Oh, Cage is back online. Yeah, I'm here.
Dude, oh my god. My heartbeat is
Zach, just in case.
Oh my god.
So we know where Cage is set.
Oh.
Oh, Cage is back. Right in your face, man. What the fuck? Going on the balcony.
I just hate RBI because I constantly lose food. Oh, okay. Can you go home? Can you go to your home and TPR me? We can just start there again. I need a RBI for real.
Yeah.
Sweet. Oh, where have you been storing that beer that I've been giving you?
Oh, I'm putting it in the private room for. Look, this is where I put the most recent crap. This is what you've gathered. This is what I've gathered.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
And then this chest too, because I threw it all in there too. Do you have
Ooh, the shot. Do you mind if I take the shotgun ammo that's in there?
Yeah, dude.
Hey, what?
We share things, man, dude. You know me. Do you have a special M4 in here for me? I don't have M240.
Oh yeah, here.
Fine. No, I'll use it.
Oh, M4 or
I
M240?
need ammo. I need ammo.
You want an M4 or M240?
No, it's fine. It's fine. No. Do you have M240 ammo?
What? You don't want this? I don't know.
No, it's fine. Don't worry.
Oh look, yeah, here. Look.
Oh yeah. All right. Do you have M4 ammo now?
M4 ammo?
Yeah, I need
what's in there?
Oh yeah, I see it.
There's two drums right
I'm gonna take a few clips.
Fine. Zach, take a look at this.
I need RBI. You got RBI?
I don't think so.
Who doesn't have RBI?
Might be something upstairs. I don't know. The answer to that is no. Also, look at this. Nothing's in there.
You never know. Someone could be stashing stuff in here.
That's kind of my office.
Oh, you actually made a roof to your top? Coolio. How do you not have one RBI?
People getting infected all the time. I ain't the only one who has access here.
There's no way we're gonna get to my base. Well...
Why is there an AK Vulcan?
Why is it not?
It's got 4 clips. Do I want to take? I don't even know.
Ooh, I found some med packs in the bag. I'm gonna take a few.
Wish you could buy freaking gears and shot.
It really took forever to organize all this.
That was nice. This I am. Why is there? Yeah, I'm getting rid of that.
Yeah,
I'm not.
that's
Why is that in the fucking base? Yeah, I'm just gonna let it despawn.
Let's watch it all despawn.
Why do? Who the hell put a door in my fucking chest? Are we really just gonna wait?
No.
I'm leaving the door there. That shit.
Who's legit that stupid to wait that long?
Why do we have a door in there? I swear to God, if they're using it to block glitch, I'm gonna.
Well, you would have to report everyone that has access to your base.
What do you mean report? Look, man, no one has the vanilla item. As long as no one has it, it's fine.
You had it.
I didn't even put it in there, for fuck's sakes. Like, other people have access. If they're trying to frame me, well, it's a good thing they do. If it was my door, I wouldn't even have fucking had it in there.
Man, I only have... Oh, dude, I'm back to the old money I had. $184. I'm so rich. I'm so rich, you can suck my left. Dude is so rich, he has a shotty.
I like this shotgun.
Then go buy ammo for it. You have.
I want a Spaz 12. That's
money.
what I want.
You have like unlimited money.
Not really.
Well, you have a lot of money that's gonna last for a while.
Still. Oh, I messaged 5 about that. Like, what was it? The report thing for that one. So the video he watched, he actually saw me type /bell. He was like, "For real, you actually have that much money?" He was actually surprised. I told him about it. I don't know.
I used to have
so
much money.
Shit, what the fuck?
They're in tower, of course.
Through the bomb. What?
One's dead, they're in the tower. Oh my gosh, I'm almost dead.
Ah! Multiple! Careful, go down. Spawn. Did they just throw... Ow.
Loot your body. Loot your body. The top one.
I'm doing it. Armor back on.
The wrong body.
No, I got it. He just killed me and I had my gear. Okay, let's go. No, they got automatic. I have a shotgun. Just wait for them to come down here.
Oh, that's what I'm doing.
We had atomic. I mean. And of course, back it up.
They're all dead.
Just love to kill me.
I heard one of them jump off, but I just didn't know where because I didn't see him. Here, let's get out of here. Let's go to a boat. Oh, dude, that'd be a fun battle.
Someone on the boat, I think.
Yeah, there is. That's why I said let's go to a boat.
Really?
Yeah, if you watch the video, you'll see.
Ah, there's a kid over here, man.
Shoot him.
Fucking shotgun. There. Shotgun's not effective at far range.
Hey, dude, let's try whatever. Oh, I'm getting lit up. Wait.
Oh shit!
Accept it.
I'm dead.
It. Crap.
Oh, what the? Why is my fucking body?
No, I'm dead. TP me, dude. TP me.
I'm dead. Shit, I was at the
We
second.
just lost all that gear, man.
Oh, sniper.
Dude, why? I
sick.
didn't know. Oh, you should have. Oh, God. Oh, wait, accept my. Oh, you already did.
Yeah, I'm back at the base. GG to them, whoever shot.
It was the same guy, but just
I'm back at the base.
Man, dude. I should have not accepted that. I didn't know you were swimming either, dude. Damn it.
I was literally right in there. My body's hanging off the boat.
Oh, dude, TP. I get there faster. Get us here. Get us here.
Oh, sure.
Kill yourself.
Got my kid assault here.
Slash kit. I don't got anything. Oh, you
Here,
can snipe them, dude. Oh, dude.
Here,
Right,
take this.
Right. Keep running. Why drop me everything? I just need the gun.
Everything's useful, man. Hit assassin. Snipe him. Run.
There's no way we're gonna make it.
They're gonna be looting our bodies. They're gonna be swimming over there. My body's. Who's that kid? Shit.
CPR me. Oh, yeah, they looted our bodies already. Damn it, dude. I just lost so much.
Got him. Got someone.
Yeah, that was a noob.
Sure. I don't even know what who's wearing. Ugh, I hate being out in the open. Suicide.
CPR me, man.
Sec, I'm gonna go for that guy's body.
It has nothing. I legit. I know it was a fresh spawn. Trust me, he didn't have anything.
Sure.
Yep.
Wrong. Smite. Armor, but guns. I hate when you're. Fuck. Anything important though? Back.
What? Can you hear me?
Yeah. Did you lose anything important though?
The M242 clips, ammo vest, 14 Stanag, 4 med packs.
That's why I hate, dude. That's why I hate being stacked. You like have so much shit, and then when they actually get you.
Oh, like no, I don't care that I lost it. Like that's just normal. That I usually carry.
Here.
That's like normal to me. You know what I mean? That's like normal gear for me. They're back. They're back.
Sure.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I just got a message on Steam. Oh, no friend.
Dude, this guy had a loaded trench gun and pulled out his flippin' sword on me.
Ooh, trench gun?
Yeah, man. I got a trench gun now. Fuck with me.
I like them trenches.
Aw, dude, they logged off. They legit, all they wanted to do was just kill us.
That's what, yeah.
No wonder why they just kept coming back with gear. They were just trying to kill us once in a while. Hey, muted, you know, like, pay me 666. Thank you. Guess how much I have now? Ain't 50.
Oh.
I love that number. Ain't 50. Oh, crap, I threw a grenade!
Swear to God, if that grenade bounced off a zombie at us.
And killed us both? Dude, I would
You almost
have
fucked
I
us.
would have gave you a high five. Well, there's only one thing to do in a crisis like this. Come stand beside me, dude. Let's take a screenshot.
Is it this?
Wait, no, don't. Oh.
I fucking survived.
Hey,
hard.
move back 1 inch.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah. Oh. No, come back. We gotta take a screenshot. This is the perfect time. No one's online. My internet shuts off in 35 minutes. Perfect. I can't see you yet, so we gotta wait. Here, let me take off my armor so it looks professional. Oh, someone's below, so I'm gonna put my armor back on and go scream at. Oh crap!
You want back up here?
I'll be fine.
You really fucked up, Zach. Take your TV back up.
Oh.
I just jumped. Yeah.
Alright, now for the screen.
I just got messaged some fucking Japanese shit.
Let me scoot over by you. Yeah.
What the fuck are we doing?
Screenshots, man. This is the perfect time to have crisis like
Punch
this.
you. This would be stupid since we're on this.
Hey.
No screening. Yay!
No, I
8
took
pictures.
Screenies. I already took screenies. Don't worry.
Fucker. I hate screens. I hate pictures.
Now your soul is trapped inside the screen. You know people believe that.
Oh my god.
Dude,
Going.
TPA here, everyone. TPA here, Skylar. TPA here,
TPA here, Epic Zach. TPA here, let's TP myself.
JJ, TPA here, Zenlo. TPA here, X Buster. TPA here. Okay. Oh, someone accepted it. Oh.
Buster! Hey, Buster. You still recording this shit?
Yeah, why not?
Or then.
It's at 18 minutes. I'm gonna wait till it's 20.
I punch him. Do you want to throw him off the tower?
Do it, man.
You know, fuck it. There.
Oh!
How did he survive? Ow! How the fuck did you punch me from over there?
Oh, dude, let's have a dude for the last 3 minutes of this video. Go buy yourself a trench gun and trench gun ammo, and buy me med packs. And let's have a trench gun warfare gun fight before
Against each other?
Yeah. Hurry, man. Hurry. I'm gonna remove you as a friend so we don't see each other. Trench gun only, nothing else. No M4, no nothing. straight up.
Okay.
Here, I'll pay you all my money. Hey,
TPA.
Jackson's online. Well. Alright, drop me the trench gun ammo and med packs. You got med packs, right?
Yeah.
What? Only 2 clips?
Make it a fun round. Make sure you make the shots count. Okay, where do you want me to,
Oh, just tell me when you're ready, and then we start.
as long as anywhere, like...
I'm far away from you. Just tell me
As
when
long as
you're
we're in AF, right? Okay,
AF, yeah.
ready.
You cannot go outside the fence, into the water, anywhere. Just in the grounds.
As long as we're in AF, right?
Mm-hmm. Where are you, honey bear?
Cheeky bastard, you.
Where are you?
No, the real question is, where are you?
Oh, crap!
I'm that far, I'm dying.
No way! No, dude, what's it called? I thought that was actually, dude, I didn't know that was actually you. I thought that was actually a real player. That's why I was backing off.
Dude, no, dude, I was half a heart, and the zombie come up and fucking smack me in the face.
Well, our gear won't despawn, so it's all good. Don't worry.
Oh my god, GG. That was just...
Well,
dude, I feel like the trench gun is good for long range.
Because what's it called? You would have died from bleeding and that zombie right afterwards.
Yeah, dude, I was fucking bleeding. Dude, but the funny thing is, like, I don't understand. I feel like the trench gun has better range.
No, I think the Mossberg's better, in all honesty.
I don't know. I was using Mossberg. I don't know why.
I'm at our bodies. I'm at our bodies. Here, accept that.
GG. Oh shit, I could have used the med pack. Actually, no, dude, I would have survived if there was no zombies because I had med packs.
Well, yeah. But it's still a tie.
Yeah.
It is a tie.
Whatever you say. Whatever you say.
We both died.
You think it's my fault?
Right,
whatever. You want to start that again?
Yeah, one more. Cause I got 1 clip left. You got 1 clip left, right?
Oh, there's a guy on the boat. Do you wanna just fucking kill the guy on the boat?
Oh yeah, let's do that. TPR me. TPR me. TPR me. TPR me.
I'm not even on the boat.
I don't care. Should we friend each other before we shoot each other? Let's do that right.
Nah, let's just have fun. Let's just fucking do this. I just know you're just gonna you're just gonna get scared and then shoot me on accident. Just gonna get startled and shoot me on accident. Oh, I hear me.
Left. Oh no, it's our friend! Oh, I'm TPing him back.
Who was it?
X-Busters.
Wow.
I feel bad. Alright, we're starting a war right now. Hi, I'm kidding. He doesn't have anything special. But you know what? Screw it. I'm gonna give him all my gear.
And then he's gonna murder me.
Oh, he's not taking all my
Sent
gear.
you a friend. Except when you're ready.
No. We're having one more 1v1 at the very top of the boat. I have 5 bullets left, and you have 6. So follow me.
6. Okay, so dude, except when after the war.
Oh. Alright, so here.
Oh, there's a kid. There's a kid. Fuck.
Where?
I got him. Don't worry.
Oh, I see him.
Ooh, he actually. You want some loot? Oh no, you're not. You don't see the guy. See.
Oh, there's another guy here. Drew.
Do we have enough ammo for this war?
I don't know.
You know what? Fuck it. Let's just shoot each other with shotguns. How many bullets do you have? Let's make it even them out and then miss each other.
Oh.
How many bullets you got in your shotgun?
4, because I just killed Drew.
Oh, same.
Alright,
Okay,
I TP'd
ready?
him back. Alright, so I'm at the very. You stay at the very tippy top. Alright, I'm at one side. You go to the other side. Alright, you ready?
Okay, done.
Alright,
Yep.
let's go. Where are you?
Hi, Zach.
Where are you? Oh! Loser. You only have 2 bullets left now.
Ah! Damn!
Should
Did I
have
run out of
conserved
ammo?
your ammo. Yeah, you did. Oh, wait.
Ow! Fuck! How? Dude, I lost only 1 heart. You realize that's like, we still have to do 1 more. Oh shit, I should have bought some more ammo. Second.
Alright, guys, this is gonna be the end video.
Oh, it is?
Hope you guys enjoyed
Fine.
this video. Me and Muted are the 2 best snipers with the shotty. So, peace out.